The last thing you want is to spend your college years torn between classes and a job you can't stand. I'll walk you through 6 real side hustles for students in 2026. Ones that don't require rich parents, don't need a pile of startup cash, fit around your classes, and actually build skills that help you after graduation. Let's get into it. Quick note before we start. There are 2 kinds of side hustles: extra cash hustles, quick money, not always life-changing, and skill stack hustles, slower at first, but compound into long-term opportunities, businesses, or high-income careers. Both matter. Sometimes you need cash. But if you're spending time anyway, it's smart to choose at least one hustle that builds your future skill set. I'll point out which ones are extra cash and which ones are skill stack as we go. This is perfect if you're already glued to your laptop. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are everywhere now, but most people have already hit a wall with them. They've realized you can't toss in a random prompt and magically get a polished, human-sounding result. The output is often too generic, too robotic, or slightly off somehow. That's where you come in. Your job isn't to click generate, it's to take the draft, fix the logic, adjust the tone, add personality, and make it sound human. That human touch is exactly what people pay for. Clients can come from anywhere: small businesses, local brands, gym coaches, or anyone who struggles with writing. Your pitch is simple. Give me your messy texts or ideas, and I'll turn them into something clean and ready to post. Entry barrier? Easy. You need basic writing skills, an AI tool, and the ability to match a tone of voice. A couple of mock samples are enough to start. Time required: medium. Early tasks take longer while you learn prompting and workflows, but once you get comfortable, you'll move quickly. Earning potential: medium. A handful of clients paying $100 to $300 a month can cover student expenses. Growth potential: low to medium. You build writing, editing, and AI operation skills, useful in marketing or content creation. Mostly an extra cash hustle. If you want more on earning with AI, check out our previous video about earning money with AI. If you're one of those people with color-coded notes, clean Notion dashboards, and friends constantly asking for your outlines, you're halfway into this hustle already. You take what you're already creating for your classes and turn it into digital products: notes, summaries, flashcards, essay frameworks, full study dashboards, or productivity templates. You're selling clarity and structure. Your buyers can be students at your university or students worldwide through platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Over time, you can grow into full study packs or template bundles for different majors. Entry barrier: easy to medium. You're already doing the core work. You just need to format it clearly, maybe use a tool like Figma, and write simple descriptions. Time required: medium. Your first products take time, but once done, they sell repeatedly without extra work. Earning potential: low to medium. Anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a month, depending on number of products and your promotion. Growth potential: medium to high. You learn info packaging, presentation, copywriting, and digital product basics, skills that translate directly into teaching, courses, productivity tools, and corporate roles. UGC means user-generated content. This is for you if you're comfortable on camera but don't want to become a full-time influencer. As a UGC creator, you film short videos for brands, product demos, unboxings, before and after clips. You send them the content, they post it. Your follower count doesn't matter. Target smaller brands on TikTok or Instagram. Your outreach can be something like, "Hey, I create natural-looking product videos. I can film a few clips for TikTok, Reels, or ads. Want to see examples? Entry barrier, medium. You need a decent phone camera and a sense of what works on TikTok and Reels. No advanced editing required. Brands often prefer natural, simple clips. Time required, low to medium. You plan, shoot, edit, and occasionally reshoot. Once brands trust you, everything becomes smoother. Earning potential, medium to high. You can charge per video, per bundle, or monthly. A few recurring clients can beat typical student job income. Growth potential, high. You build camera confidence, learn editing fundamentals, and understand persuasive content. This skill set translates directly into marketing, branding, and content creation careers. This is SMM, social media management, without the massive influencer vibes people try to sell online. Look around your town. Cafes, salons, gyms, and small stores with dead Instagram pages. Last post from months ago, blurry photos, no info, no highlights. You offer a simple, realistic package. I'll make sure your page looks alive, your info is clean, and your customers don't leave the moment they open your profile. That includes 8 to 12 posts a month, stories, reels, captions, simple DMs, and making sure the bio and highlights make sense. AI can help brainstorm ideas and draft captions. Entry barrier, easy. If you already understand social media, the main shift is learning what works for businesses. Time required, medium. Batch content once a week, schedule it, then spend a few minutes daily on comments and messages. Earning potential, medium to high. You charge $150 to $300 per month per client. With 3 to 5 clients, you're already ahead of most student jobs. Growth potential, high. You learn brand voice, content strategy, simple analytics, and customer interaction. Perfect for future marketing roles or starting a small agency. A turnkey e-commerce store via Sellvia lets you skip the technical setup. No plugins, no shipping headaches, no product sourcing. You focus on improving what already exists. Better product pages, clear copy, stronger offers, better images, reviews, learning what your audience cares about. Entry barrier, low. No upfront money to start. No coding or design required. After a 2-week trial, it's $34 a month. Time required, low to medium. You'll test offers, check analytics, adjust pages, and slowly build traffic. You can also have their team run your ads. Earning potential, high. You're growing an asset that can earn day and night, not just selling your time. Growth potential, high. You learn real e-commerce and real marketing and start thinking like an owner rather than a gig worker. So, how do you pick the right one? Ask yourself, first, what's your level of energy? If your major is already draining you, choose something lighter, like notes and templates or AI micro-freelancing. Second, do you need money now or later? If you need quick, predictable cash, AI freelancing or social media management. If you can invest time and a bit of money, then choose creating or flipping online stores. Third, financial risk tolerance. If you're on a tight budget, choose time-based hustles, AI freelancing, social media management, or selling notes. Fourth, what can you do weekly without hating life? If you hate being on camera, skip UGC. If you hate writing, skip content-heavy hustles. Lean into what feels natural, or at least tolerable. If you want me to break down any of these hustles step by step with examples, screen recordings, and copy and paste scripts, tell me in the comments which one you want. Like this video, subscribe if you found it valuable, Take care of your grades, take care of your sleep, and don't wait until graduation to build skills that pay you back. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.